Although noting he still stands by Jamaican junior Flemmings, Phoenix Rising FC coach Rick Shans says the right decision was made to place the forward on administrative leave. Flemmings has been taken off frontline duties by Phoenix Rising FC as an investigation takes place into allegations that he used an anti-gay slur during Wednesday night's USL game against the San Diego Loyal. In a statement by Phoenix Rising FC, it said Flemmings has been placed on leave until the league's investigation is over. Coach Rick Shans has also been placed on administrative leave. However, it was noted the decision was unrelated to the investigation. Flemmings, who is currently the top scorer in the league with 14 goals, has denied the allegations. However, his future with the club now hangs in the balance, with no idea of when he will next be in action.
It would be right to play him at all. I don't think it would be right to expose him or the club to that type of scrutiny. So, until I hear from the club, the league, on which way, the decision that they're going to make and what the investigation turns out, I think I have to kind of stand pat a little bit before I make that decision.
Shans, who has drawn criticism for being caught on an open mic arguing with San Diego's head coach Landon Donovan and suggesting there was an overreaction, also sought to clear the air on that matter.
I deeply regret, what I said in the moment without having all of the facts. We continue to investigate now, and it's an ongoing investigation about what happened on the field at the time. If any one of our players, if it comes out that he did say that or he said something disparaging, I think that's reprehensible, and I'm deeply sorry to the player and the fans and all those that are affected.
The Loyal walked off the field in protest at halftime in the USL match on Wednesday after midfielder Colin Martin alleged he was abused by Flemmings with the use of a Jamaican homophobic slur. In 2018, Martin announced he was gay.